Hey guys, I'm playing Stunt Car Racing. It's called Stunt Car Racing. No. Stunt Car Racing multiplayer. Oh yeah, since the last video guys, I've gotten a bunch of cars. I'm sorry I didn't put it on video, on camera. Wait, the volume is so loud. Alright, there. I got this racing car guys. It's so awesome. It's so fast too. I'll do some stunts right now. I'm just gonna play some of this. But yeah, they can hear you. Alright. Time to start playing this. I don't know if I sound any better. I got new earphones. What was that? What was that? What was that? Someone was calling me and said no name. That was weird. Did you download it, maybe? That's sad. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how how fast this car goes. Oh my god. Ugh, it's Isaac. Okay, what should I do? Okay. Merge with Fabian. Hey. Hey Isaac. I'm still there. Yeah. I know I'm playing Stunt Car Racing by myself. Psych. No, I'm playing Stunt Car Racing. What? Chris 15214. Watch guys. Oh my god, Chris 15214. I'm trying to make a YouTube video here. Yes, another one. You saw it already? You saw it? You saw it? Nice. See, I got a fan right here, guys. And he's my best friend. Oh no. Whoa, do you guys see that black mark? Whoa. Watch, guys. Boom, I landed it. Oh! Time to do another stunt, guys. Man, I'm gonna name it Stunt Montage. Because I'm doing all them cool stunts. Uh-oh. No. Okay, no. That was not a cool stunt. Oh. Never mind. Watch it. I'm gonna get on top of that tower.
Hey everybody, it's me, Mickey Mouse. Say, you want to come inside my clubhouse?
Keep going too much of the turn.
Well, all right, let's go. Oh, I almost forgot. To make the clubhouse appear, we get to say the magic words. Mishka, Mooska, Mickey
Jump.
Mouse. Say it with me.
Pop barrier.
Mishka, Mooska, Mickey Mouse.
What? You saw me? Guys, did you see? Oh my god, look at that. On the invisible barrier. I'm that good. There's invisible barrier. Oh no. I got off of the barrier. Oh, I made it. You gotta do that sometimes. Pop.
It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Minnie's History.
Fabian, why do you breathe loud?
Welcome to our clubhouse.
You breathe loud.
That's my pal, Pluto.
Oh.
Hiya, pal.
Where the
Hey,
respawn
that
here?
sounds
Why?
like the picture puzzle. I wonder what today's picture
This
is
game
gonna
is
be.
fun, guys. You should download it. Like, I'm not even sponsored by anything. I'm just saying it's a good game. It's fun. You guys can play with me if you guys want, and then just play with me. You play with me.
Does this picture look right to you?
You want to play with me?
Nah, that's not right.
Mhm.
Let's try again.
Yep.
Now does the picture look right?
Oh
You
no!
betcha. What is it?
It's a bear.
Yeah, it's a baby bear. You got it.
I know. I always got it, bro. Mickey Mouse. He's the best.
I wonder why today's picture is a baby bear. Oh boy, who can that be?
Watch this, guys.
It's
You can make it over this all the way to the boat. Ha! Psych. What's over here? I've never been over here.
a whole dozen.
A dozen muffins means 12 muffins to share.
Aw, gee,
Oh, I could have gone
can't
through there.
wait to taste one. Kitchen area coming up.
What happened, Isaac? Isaac? Isaac?
Oh no! This tray was full of muffins.
Okie dokie.
We know a dozen means 12. Let's count. 1,
Man,
3,
how come I can't make this?
5,
I made it just before I started recording.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But now only 1,
She's leaving?
3, 4, 5 are left.
Why is she leaving, bruh?
Gosh, then how many muffins are gone? Let's count the empty tins and see.
You're lying, dude. She's just gonna go get her stuff.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I don't want to bet.
Somebody ate 7 muffins.
Because she lives with you, so
Been eating my blueberry
I wouldn't know.
muffins.
Well, not me.
Are you leaving permanently?
We have a mystery at the clubhouse today.
Tell her.
Minnie, I suspect.
Are you not coming back?
Mystery.
Why not?
We have to solve this mystery.
You little baby.
Detective Minnie.
Nah, don't be a quitter.
And find out who's been eating my muffins?
You can babysit for my mom. You know that.
We're gonna need some mousketeers to help us solve this case. Come on,
That's sad.
to the mousketeer. Mouse ready, mouse high, mouse go. Mouse ready, mouse sit. Here we go.
She's a quitter. That is a big quitter. I wouldn't quit, especially if we're in Houston, because all of our cousins are over there. Right?
That's good for fixing things. A garbage can. A microphone.
Is Isaac still there?
And the mystery mousketeer.
No answer.
That's a surprise tool that's gonna help us later.
Whoa, 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 guys. Whoa, you saw that, guys? Alright, guys. That's going to be the end of the video. Bye-bye. No. I'm going to teleport all the way over there to the driveway, guys, before I end it. See this, guys? I teleported. I teleported. Teleported back here, guys. Okay, okay, I'm in the video now since he started to be quiet.